Have you ever wondered how much of a difference creatine supplementation can truly make in your fitness journey? Today, we're here to answer that question as we take you through our 30-day experience with creatine. From strength gains to muscle development and everything in between, we'll reveal the insights and tips we've learned along the way. So, if you're curious about the potential transformation creatine can offer, buckle up and join us on this eye-opening ride. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of creatine supplementation together. Number 7. Increase strength and power. Taking creatine for 30 days can lead to a noticeable improvement in strength and power during workouts. The increased availability of ATP, the body's primary energy source, allows individuals to perform at higher intensities and sustain their efforts for longer durations. This boost in energy can be particularly advantageous for activities that require quick bursts of power, such as weightlifting, sprinting, and high-intensity interval training. By enhancing exercise performance, creatine enables individuals to push their limits and achieve new personal records, leading to a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue their fitness journey. It's important to combine creatine supplementation with a well-structured training program to fully capitalize on its benefits, ensuring that the increased strength and power translate into measurable progress in one's fitness and athletic performance. Number 6. Enhanced exercise performance. Creatine supplementation not only improves exercise performance but also positively impacts muscle growth and development. By increasing phosphocreatine stores in muscles, creatine enhances cell hydration and protein synthesis, creating an environment conducive to muscle repair and growth after intense workouts. The improved exercise capacity enabled by creatine allows for more challenging workouts, leading to greater muscle fiber recruitment and activation, further stimulating muscle growth. However, it's important to combine creatine supplementation with a balanced diet and a well-designed training program to maximize its benefits. Individual responses may vary, so consistency, patience, and a comprehensive approach to fitness are essential for optimizing creatine's potential for muscle development and overall performance. Number 5. More muscle growth. One common side effect of creatine supplementation is increased water retention in the muscles. When you start taking creatine, your muscles may retain more water, leading to a temporary increase in body weight. This can be misconstrued as fat gain by some individuals, causing concern or frustration. However, it's important to understand that the additional weight is primarily due to the increased water content in the muscles and not actual fat accumulation. As you continue taking creatine and your body adapts to its presence, the water retention effect typically stabilizes. It's essential to stay well hydrated while using creatine to mitigate any potential dehydration-related issues, especially during the initial period when water retention might be more noticeable. Embracing this temporary water weight gain as part of the process can help you stay focused on the actual benefits of creatine, such as enhanced exercise performance and improved muscle growth. Remember that individual responses to creatine may differ, and not everyone experiences significant water retention. Number 4. Water retention. Taking creatine for 30 days can yield variable results based on individual responses. While some people experience significant improvements in exercise performance, muscle gains, and other benefits, others might not see as pronounced effects. Factors such as genetics, baseline fitness level, diet, and training regimen can all influence the outcomes. It's essential to set realistic expectations and understand that creatine is not a magic solution but rather a tool that, when combined with proper nutrition and training, can contribute to better athletic performance and muscle development. Additionally, tracking your progress and keeping a record of your workouts, strength gains, and overall performance during the 30-day period can help you objectively evaluate the impact of creatine on your fitness journey. Whether the effects are subtle or profound, every individual's experience is unique, so it's crucial to focus on your own progress and celebrate the achievements, regardless of the magnitude. Number 3. Individual variations. The response to creatine supplementation can vary significantly among individuals due to several factors. Firstly, individual differences in body composition, metabolism, and genetics play a crucial role in how the body processes and utilizes creatine. Secondly, the baseline level of creatine stores in muscles may differ among people, impacting the extent to which supplementation can lead to noticeable effects. Additionally, lifestyle factors, such as diet and exercise habits, can influence how the body responds to creatine. Those who follow a well-structured training program and consume adequate protein may experience more pronounced benefits from creatine supplementation. On the other hand, individuals with already high levels of dietary creatine intake may not see as dramatic improvements. Monitoring your own response and adjusting dosage or timing if necessary can help optimize the effects of creatine supplementation. Number 2. Loading phase versus maintenance phase. When starting creatine supplementation, some individuals may choose to follow a loading phase during the initial week. During this phase, they typically take higher doses of creatine, usually around 20 grams per day, to rapidly saturate their muscles with creatine. The loading phase aims to expedite the process of increasing phosphocreatine stores in the muscles, leading to quicker improvements in exercise performance and potential muscle gains. After the loading phase, individuals typically switch to a lower daily maintenance dose of creatine, usually around 3 to 5 grams per day. This approach allows the body to maintain the elevated creatine levels achieved during the loading phase without overwhelming the system with excessive creatine intake. While some studies support the effectiveness of the loading phase, others suggest that a gradual approach with a maintenance dose from the beginning can also yield comparable results over time. Number 1. Stay hydrated. To make the most of creatine supplementation and minimize potential side effects, staying properly hydrated is essential. As creatine increases water retention in the muscles, dehydration can become a concern, especially during intense physical activity. Adequate water intake not only helps prevent dehydration but also supports optimal muscle function and overall performance. While some individuals may experience mild bloating or discomfort due to increased water retention, this can often be alleviated by maintaining good hydration levels. It's recommended to drink plenty of water throughout the day, both during exercise and at rest, to support the body's fluid balance. By staying hydrated, you can maximize the benefits of creatine while minimizing any discomfort associated with water retention, allowing you to focus on your workouts and fitness goals with greater comfort and confidence. Thank you so much for joining us on this 30-day creatine journey. We hope you found our insights and experiences helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fitness-related content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with creatine, feel free to leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our community and engaging in meaningful discussions. Remember, fitness is a personal journey, and what works for one person might be different for another. The key is to stay consistent, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Until next time, keep striving for your fitness goals, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you in the next video.